I added AI actors and avatars in a real estate video without editing, using just one tool. This is VideoTour.AI, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it to add AI actors, drop in AI avatars, and create virtual staging videos, all in no time. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Head over to VideoTour.AI and click Create New Tour on your dashboard. Select the real estate industry to make sure the tool is optimized for property content. Then upload your property photos. Don't worry about getting the order right. The AI automatically sorts them into a logical flow, starting with the living areas and working through the rest of the property. Next, choose your background music. Go with something calm and professional. It sets the right tone for a property tour. Then, enable captions and adjust them to your preference so viewers can follow along easily. For format, select vertical if you're posting to Instagram Reels or TikTok, and horizontal if you're creating a listing video. You'll also have the option to keep the AI animations. Once you've reviewed everything, click Create the video. Inside the editor, select the image that shows the outdoor area of the property. Open the AI Lifestyle option. For this image, we're going to add children playing outside. You don't need to write any complex prompts here. Just switch to the Scene Template view and select the category, Outdoors and Garden. Browse the available templates and choose one that shows children playing outside. Click Apply. In seconds, the AI integrates realistic actors directly into the scene. This uses 50 credits per image. You can do the same for the bathroom image. Add a couple having a relaxed conversation, for example. The tool blends the AI actors into each scene naturally, making the space feel lived in and engaging without any manual editing. Now let's add an AI avatar to the tour. We're going to place the avatar in the living room to introduce the property and welcome viewers into the space. This feature costs 80 credits. Select the living room image and click Add AI Avatar. Upload your profile photo and write your script. You can write your own or let the AI suggest one. But make sure you fill out the Property Info tab first. The AI will pull details like the address and key features to create a more personalized and accurate hook for your specific property. Once you have your script ready, choose your voice. You can go with one of the default voices available or clone your own by recording a short 30-second sample. For this video, we're going with a default voice. Hit launch, and the AI will generate a talking version of you.
Imagine waking up to these windows every day. Your dream home in New York awaits.
That blends naturally into the living room scene with no manual editing. Now let's move on to virtual staging. Select any photo you want to stage. Keep in mind, this uses up to 50 credits per image. For this video, we're working with the bedroom. Once you've selected it, switch over to the staging templates. For the transformation type, choose Furnish Empty Room, Virtual Staging. Next, set the property area to bedroom and keep the design style as modern. After that, you'll see two reveal style output options, one with humans in the scene and one without. Select With Humans, then click Generate AI Staging and give it a few minutes to process. The result is a smooth, animated transition that literally builds the furniture into the room right before the viewer's eyes, which makes for a really compelling moment in any property tour. And you're not limited to just the bedroom. Using the exact same steps, you can stage the kitchen or even create a day-to-night time-lapse of any room in the property. Adding an AI voiceover to your tour is just as straightforward. At the top of the editor, toggle on the voiceover option. Then, click to add a voiceover. From here, you have two choices. Write a custom script yourself, or let the AI generate one for you. If you go with the AI option, it pulls from the Information tab you filled out earlier, so make sure that's complete before generating. Once your script is ready, select the voice you want to use from the available audio options. Click Generate, then sync it to the video, and you're done. Before wrapping up, let's quickly go over pricing. The free plan lets you create one video, but it only comes with 20 credits, which isn't enough to use the AI actor and avatar features we covered in this tutorial. For that, you'll need at least the independent plan, which is $39 per month. So there you have it, the step-by-step process to add AI actors and avatars for real estate videos using VideoTour.AI. While the credits can burn up fast, and there's no way to revert a change without spending more credits, but overall, VideoTour.AI is beginner-friendly with tons of real estate-relevant features. So try out the tool using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.